Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has about 500-600 grams of chicken parts here. I'm using free range chicken today. And I'm going to stir fry using some spicy bean paste later, which is going to taste really good. In China, they have this thing called 炒鸡, different stir fry chicken, yeah? Different province has different way of stir frying it, and always it looks very appetizing. It has, actually I haven't tried it in China before, but I can imagine by looking through the videos, it is a bit spicy and with a tinge of sourish flavor. So I'm going to replicate that dish at home tonight. Right, so we will have some, I'm adding in some veggie here, some green capsicum, yeah, yellow capsicum, and some tomato chunks. We also have few pieces of ginger and a bit of garlic. Now the main flavor from this dish is going to come from two sauce. Number one is the spicy bean paste, any brand will do, and some tomato sauce. I actually have some leftover tomato sauce here, so I actually added a little bit of water inside to dilute it. So first thing, we're going to give it a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons, and we shall heat it up. Once it is heated up, we can put in some garlic and ginger and saute for a while. Before we continue, we come back shortly. Once you start seeing some of the garlic ginger started to brown, you can actually put in the chicken. You can marinate your chicken with a bit of light soy sauce if you like, and some Shaoxing wine, yeah. Now we'll try to char the surface of the chicken a bit, so we will spread it out. Leave it there for at least about 30 seconds before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Alright, it's after about 30-40 seconds. Give it a few stir. And again, I'm going to leave it there for a while, just to char some of the surface for the chicken. This is to add extra flavor. Optional. Now, this is after another 30-40 seconds. Ooh, my chicken is charred a little bit. Nice. Now I can actually push it to the side. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of spicy bean paste. Actually, our spicy bean paste is not spicy lah, but very fragrant. And not only the spicy bean paste, I'm going to add in some tomato sauce as well. This I have actually diluted it with added some water just now. So this is where you get the combination between a little bit of spiciness plus sourish flavor. Immediately it looks really, really appetizing, isn't it? Now I'm going to give it some water. Let's give it some seasoning here. Some salt, some sugar, a bit of oyster sauce, a bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. To give it a bit more beany flavor, some light soy sauce here. Now in a restaurant, what they normally do, they will actually fry the chicken first. Then they will shorten the cooking time, yeah? So we just adjust accordingly when we do it at home. We always cook slightly different. Alright, now it is actually boiling. What we do next is to get a lid, close the lid, and tune down to medium low, and let it cook for approximately 15 minutes before we continue. Alright, this is after approximately 13-14 minutes. Wow, look at this. The broth has actually reduced by itself. Oh, let me focus, sorry. Right, the broth has actually reduced by itself. Now I can actually add in the tomato and the capsicums. And I'm going to raise the heat to medium high. And give it a few stir. Wow. I didn't even add any cornstarch. It's already very starchy mainly because of the tomato sauce. Now just to make the veggie a little bit cooked, I am going to close the lid and let it simmer for approximately 30 seconds to 1 minute. Alright, this is after approximately 30-40 seconds. Look at how beautiful it is. Wow. Right, and our spicy bean paste fried chicken is ready for serving. Right, so here's my stir-fry free-range chicken with spicy bean paste and tomato. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye-bye.